Hello and welcome to One Day One Thought. Today I'm going to share with you my bird watching experience. We went for the bird watching yesterday and quickly when we started the journey of bird watching. Soon after we started, I realized that the birds were doing every necessary thing for their family and for their community. They were fulfilling every responsibility that they had without understanding that they are doing something for their family. They were fighting with each other as well, but they were not leaving the community. They were doing everything like humans. But the thing was, it was instinctive and not planned. So, to conclude, I learned the spirit of community comes from instinct. Thank you so much for watching this video.